Welcome to Authentic Tech. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so as you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, on today's video we will be looking at how to change the screen of an iPhone XS Max. So guys, here is the new screen that we got, and we are about to replace it with the old one. In other words, let's say the back screen. So the first thing we are going to do is to turn the iPhone XS Max off. You wait for a while the phone switches off. The next step we have to do is to unscrew your iPhone XS Max. You do that gently so you avoid running the screws, because you know when your screw is worn out it will be a bit difficult for you to unscrew your phone, and that will cause another problem to your iPhone XS Max. So now we have removed the screws of the phone, and now we are about to remove the screen on off of the iPhone XS Max. Watch keenly and make sure you follow the steps directly so you can do that at home if your phone gets bad or something goes wrong with your phone. So guys, we are about to take off the screen of the iPhone XS Max, so you have to be conscious of the knobs so you avoid spoiling any. Anyway, you can still remove it the way you want because the screen is bad. So here is the screen, and what you have to do next is to unscrew the trace that covers the battery. So guys, when removing the screws of the battery cover, you have to avoid mixing them up, because you know with iPhone when you mix them up it is difficult to maintain them back, and once you put the wrong screw in another position it can cause a short circuit on the phone, or maybe the phone will find some difficulties coming on. So you have to be conscious and be aware of that fact that you don't have to mix the screws up. Now we have removed the screws of the battery cover. The first thing you have to do is to take off the knob of the battery. Then the next you can do is to take off that of the screen, and so you can take off the knob of the earpiece so you can ease you to remove the screen. Follow the steps as we go. Here is the knob of the earpiece. We'll do that keenly because it is at times linked with the knob of the selfie, and you know what happens when the selfie of an iPhone goes bad. That means the phone will no longer have its Face ID on, so you have to do that keenly. As you can see, the screen of the iPhone XS Max is out, as it's a dead screen. So now we'll be looking forward to replace the new screen. Yeah, that is how it goes. That this is the bad screen, and here at my right hand side it is the new screen that we are about to replace. Here we have the new screen. Yeah, this is the new screen of the iPhone XS Max. So the next step we have to do is to transfer the earpiece from the dead iPhone screen to the new iPhone screen. So we do that. Start by unscrewing the earpiece. So you follow up. So you can do this back at home or when your phone is having a screen problem. Remember not to mix up the screws. Here we go. Guys, we have successfully removed the earpiece from the dead screen. Now we're about to transfer it to the new screen. That's how it goes. You're about to put it to the new screen, so you watch keenly. You remember I told you not to displace your screws, so you ease you when replacing them back. As you can see, guys, we are done replacing the earpiece from the bar screen to the new screen. So now we are about to test the new screen. We are about to test the new screen and make sure everything works perfectly before you can then screw your phone and make sure everything is good. So to prevent further damage on the new screen, you have to clean the side of the phone, make sure there are no dents around, so everything will go smoothly. So now we are about to plug in the new screen. You have to follow keenly. Here's the knob of the screen itself. It's been plugged. Here's the knob of the screen still. It's been plugged. All the knobs have been plugged, so we're about to test the screen. Power your phone on some few minutes. See, the phone is now on. You have to use the emergency section in order to test the screen. See, everything is working perfectly. So now you have to put back the battery cover and make sure you put them correctly. Then afterward you can then screw your iPhone and then you are good to go. Now we are done scrolling the battery cover, and now we have to make sure we put the new screen intact. Yeah, here we go. The screen is now good to go. Everything is intact, and now the next thing we have to do is make sure we unscrew the screen, the new screen of the iPhone XS Max. Here we go with the screw number 1. Screw number 1 is good to go. Yeah. Screw number 1, screw number 2, screw number 2, screw number 2. Yeah. Screw number 2 is good to go, and boom, everything is good to go. Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching. It is authentic right here. See you guys on my next video.